afternoon, wet shaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome into the rabbit hole with Cal Shaves. I'm in my 40s. I was born the same year the Vietnam War ended, same year the first Jaws movie came out, and the same year as the Rocky Horror Picture Show came out. Technology's changed a lot over the years. It's just amazing the pace of things. Stuff that we only dreamed about when I was young now become quite common nowadays. Selfie sticks, home videos. Gotta remember to hit the record button or you have to go back and redo it after the fact. So, anyway, 3D printers. One came out a few years ago, insanely expensive. Only, common people couldn't have. Anyway, today we're gonna focus on Jared Francais, Thirsty Badger, 3D printed travel lather bowl. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this to a lower level. We're going to introduce it to you. A little bit easier to do than doing it this way. So anyway, you guys stay tuned and we'll come right back and we'll get back to the rest of the video. Thanks. We'll reposition just because it makes it a little bit easier and I'll be watching the screen to see how this fits. So anyway, what we've got here, 3D. So this is version 2. The lid is a lot sturdier, the threads are a lot sturdier than what they were in version 1. This one is specifically made to fit 3-inch Karve with room for 3 plates. You can put the 3rd plate underneath the top plate there. Your new blades go there, and your spent blades would go down underneath there. Now, what is also done with this version, takes this out, and of course, you put your lather bowl there. I'll be using this for the first time in just a few minutes. You've also taken a cavity and put room for a soap sample there. This happens to be a brand new sample I just bought from Stirling. This is Haverford. I believe I'm saying that right. This is vanilla tobacco. It's based on Tom Ford's scent, so we'll be giving that a go. And of course, the matching slash. So we'll get this put together. All I'm going to be using the open comb plate. So you see what you've got there. Very lightweight. I didn't weigh it, but I know it's extremely light. And so this is the D plate. I've used it again a while ago, or just recently in another video. Like I said, this is all compact. Now, Jared is offering these to fit 3-inch Karve. He's also offering them to fit the Rockwell 6C, 6S, the chrome version and the stainless steel version. He did, on version 1, offer an insert that will fit the Gillette Tech Fat Boy. He hasn't modified it yet for the Tech 2 version, but he figures it's very easy to do. And according to one of the guys in the forums, I'm sorry I don't remember your name, that also found out that the insert that fits the Rockwell also happens to fit the PAA Ascension perfectly. So just a lucky coincidence. So, we'll get that going. So, that's open there. Just get that pop out. So, we're going to open this up, we're going to get a little bit in our lather bowl, and we'll come right back. Back up to normal height. So we just put a piece of it in there, just kind of press it in. I know that'll be lost for a shave. He recently, when he did the version 2, he changed the way the lather slots are with his version 1. Lather slots look like that. His idea is that it'll make it easier to clean. It'll still give it a great lather, but it's a little bit easier to clean, a little bit easier to maintain. You've had soaking. You've seen that several times. Coyote Cola, 24mm 2-band badger. So, I took the camera down to see what we got going on here. Just get some of the excess water out of there. I can always add more later if I need it.
First I fall.
So guys, we got a great lather built up in there. It didn't take hardly any time whatsoever. Nice and thick. It should be working perfect. This thing's tied up out of the way, so let her face a little bit. Now the Stirling is a beef tallow base. I have several Stirling sulfates. I've been the one great thing I like to say about them is that they do samples very inexpensively, and you'll get lots of shades out of a sample. Your pucks are very inexpensive anyway, but you can just go get the sample, get some more shades out of it before you decide if you want to buy the full puck. Add a bit more water. Very nice scent on that soap. I was talking to Jared. Now he offers the 3D lather bowl. Like I said, the version 2. Different colors. They take quite a while to make. He said about 18 hours plus to print them off. Now he also offers a razor stand for your Karve. I'm not sure if he's got them for the Rockwell as well. Don't remember. But any of his 3D plans he's got, he makes them available for free downloads on his website, which I will post right here, and I will post a link down below. Click the link. So you can either buy from him, or if you have access to a 3D printer, you can print off your own. And if you're smart enough and you know how to make the modifications, you can make the modifications to suit whatever you want to make. It's just incredible what they can do with 3D printers now. And the technology is becoming very inexpensive. I believe this is probably the second time I've used this Karve open comb and really enjoy using it. But in addition to the 3D printables, he also offers a brush scuttle, which I don't have. His wife makes those, pottery. His wife Maren also makes these lather bowls. You've seen me use this in many videos. These are all one-offs. She makes them, they're just awesome. And of course he's offering apparel. I've got this shirt here, and I've got another one which I'll post in a picture over one of my shoulders. And in case all that wasn't enough, his website, he also does extensive reviews and shave of the day pics and all that. And he's also been known to get on camera on Instagram. He just recently did a live video with Heather Melton from Zangari Man, discussing his products, scuttles. He is in Warminster, Saskatchewan. Or sorry, Warman, Saskatchewan. In Western Canada. Get ready for our pass number 2 with the Karve. open comb, I definitely suggest it. I don't shave daily, so for me, I can handle something that's got a little bit more to it. It's not a little bit more aggressive, and I don't get the irritation. Incredibly well-made razor. Now, although I don't remember what the open comb is, straight bar, you can get the 3-inch handle with a straight bar and one plate for $99 Canadian plus taxes and shipping. So mine arrived to me in New Brunswick originally for about $130 after taxes and shipping. Very nice. One more pass as usual, get to clean up on my neck done. You guys can see there's still lots of lather left in this. Very smooth, very nice. Really enjoying the scent on that soap. It's really, really nice. I also got a whole tub of their lime and their matching aftershave, the glacial version, which I took a smell this morning, is heavily methylated. So I bring it back cleaned up, wash it on my beard, and we're going to put on the matching splash. This is alcohol based. And again, after I'm done here, go down and visit my girlfriend and her daughter just got home from school. I'll get their opinion, see what they think of this. Come with an extra dose in to see what they think. Very nice, very nice. So, you got your lather bowl. I just rinsed it out off camera. All good to go. So, take our Karve, Karve goes at the top, our handle, top plate, after you're done rinsing them out, goes back in its hole, bottom plate. We've used this plate a few times. I think we can call it a spit. So we put it down in there. We're good to go. We'll actually put our soap sample back in here for our next time. Should have done that first. So we tuck it back in there. Little notches there. Line up with there. Seal it up, and you're all good to go. Now, although I used my badger this time, you can also buy a 3D printed. Oh, there's my girlfriend's cat who usually doesn't like me. Padme. But you can also buy 3D printed travel cases for your brush. Usually, you guys would use a synthetic because they dry quicker. I don't know if some that Jared makes, I don't know if that's up to or not, but you can get them. So, anyway, guys, just do a quick overview. Jared Francais 3D lather bowl with my logo on the top. Very cool. It's a one-off. Like I said, we're all good to go for our next shave. Various inserts available. Check his website. I will post that. And Stirling Haverford. I don't know if it's a tobacco vanilla or vanilla tobacco. I'm not sure which order they've got it in. These are the sample sizes. Very economical. Great shave, and we'll go downstairs and get the opinion of the ladies, see what they think. So anyway, guys, you have yourselves an awesome week, and we'll see you again in a few days. Take care.